Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Fruit yogurt recipe for babies and toddlers. If you are planning to introduce yogurt to your baby, then simple fruit yogurt recipes are just awesome. The idea of adding fruit puree to yogurt is interesting and is definitely a healthier option for your baby compared to sugar-loaded readily available packaged yogurt. Cooking time. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 5 minutes. Total time, 10 minutes. Cooking method, suitable for babies above 12 months. Meal schedule, mid-morning snack. Recipe type, appetizer and dessert. Ingredients: strawberry, 4. Mango, medium-sized, 1. Yogurt, half cup. Instructions: wash the strawberries, remove the stalk and chop them. Wash, peel and chop the mango. Steam strawberries and mango slightly or until they are mashable. Blend the steamed fruits in a blender. Add the fruit puree to a bowl of yogurt and serve. Recipe tips: you can cut the fruits in advance and store it in the refrigerator to save time. You can use mangoes without steaming. You can use other seasonal fruits available like apple, banana, pear, and blueberry. Feel free to add in a fruit that your baby enjoys. It is better to serve the fruit yogurt fresh. You know the abundance of nutrients yogurts brings to your baby's health. So, start planning to feed your little one with a homemade fruit yogurt baby food recipe than depending on store-bought yogurts filled with artificial flavors.